Ever since the inception of COVID-19, China has, in a transparent manner, cooperated with the global health watchdogs, including WHO. China has cooperated with World Health Organization and other officials to find out through professional, scientific, responsible and unbiased manner the origin of virus. Apart from winning the battle at home, China has begun sharing the medical supplies to the countries in dire need. Pakistan was amongst the first few countries that China has sent help and medical supplies, including vaccines. The gigantic fight against COVID-19 by China is outstanding, with worth to stand to rest of history. Through health diplomacy, China has proved to be friends of those in need. Despite all these honest contributions, a malicious propaganda has been launched against China, which is unfathomable. Humanity is suffering. World is suffering. This is not the time to act like this. This undermines the global efforts to defeat the common threat to humanity. The second phase plan that should have been based on the conclusions and recommendations of the joint WHO-China study report and based on the evidence collected in the first phase. The plan disregards to the common sense, emphasizing only on the finding of the lab leakage possibility. The possibility was gently declared full and void. The behavior is beyond comprehension. I believe that WHO Secretariat should revise its policy and they should investigate not solely in China but expand to other countries including United States and India too, if they are serious enough to find objective truth and reality to discover. United States should be answerable to all these questions and steps. This is about equality and objective truth. You need to follow that if you are honest enough. World is watching and will remember the time that who was busy conspiring and who was busy helping the world.